When 𝗕𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗞𝗙 𝗕𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗞𝗙 is start man, yeah? The man now moving a dog. Wagwan. We're back again. Yo, right now we're on fire. Just forward back spontaneously. Peter Bass, my G them, my grandfather them. Yes, they are my grandfather. Drop a song a week ago. I see it, but I never react to it. I never listen to it either, because I know when I fall back, I go react to it. So we are here, Peter Bass plugged in with W Fumez, the engineer. Okay, press play. Big up engineer, big myself, engineer, big myself. So we're gonna jump on that one and react. We're not pausing every 10 seconds. We're gonna react. So let's go, man. Let's go. Don't waste the time. Let's go.
Yeah. Pete and Bez, plugged in with Fumez. Let's go, baby. Hello girl, hello darling. What's your name and what's your number? Beg your pardon. Yeah, heated pool in a big back garden. Created the beers, I'm sinking them down, but now I'm starving. Pop to the shop with a big kebab and a can of lager.
Yo, don't think I'm laughing at them, you know. Because, I'm laughing because every fucking thing them man touch them, kill it. Every beat them touch them, kill it, dog. No joke.
Boss man knows me, I'll be back tomorrow. With a stack from the pinkies rolled up, that's for the drop last week. And a couple of shots in the knee, cutting up deals in the business niche.
Yo, engineer, I feel it. Yo, Fumez, y'all feel it, the G. Yeah, bro.
She want me, she wanna come round and bunk me. Pull up to mine in her husband's car. She wanna come round and bunk me. Pull up to mine in her husband's car.
The woman want him, she need him, she want bunk him, she pull up to Fumez house in her husband's car. What a disrespectful bitch. Bitch, you're disrespectful. You don't have no abiding city. Girl, you're no good. Or you have to turn up in your husband's car to this man your house. What wrong with that girl? Something wrong with you, no? Something wrong with you. Them gal are wicked, them wicked.
She want me, she need me. She wanna come round and tease me. Pull up to my midnight hot fast. She wanna come drink with a geezer, shop with a dealer, ride in a beamer. She know I got rocks that I sling off the curb, big words and a slick demeanor.
Yo!
Jesus, baby, she be ringing on my phone like crazy. Easy, peasy, big case of bacon, I'm greedy.
Yo, let me just say this with it. No found no artists where so-called take it things serious. I'm not saying these guys not taking it serious, but these guys are running rings around, no. Them two elderly are run rings around on a little young guy. Where claim say on a trap and a claim say most of them can't go up against them man lyrically. No joke. Them two man are legend, dog. Legend, brother.
Came I saw I conquered, waking up in my Gucci boxes. Couple of jabs with a 1-2 bang, I'll knock your block off.
Knock off your bum buckler block. Move your block. Yeah.
Fling balls like Frederick Flintoff.
Fling balls like Frederick Flintoff. Freddie Flintoff are the English cricketer. We retire now. Ball. What him a fling ball? Ball.
Clean shot, make a man dance and I don't need TikTok. And that's them loons and that's them jewels and that's that bright. And that's that swing and that's that left and that's my right. Yeah, scope a man's head, be my sniper sight. That's right, then it's pie and a fag and a dance on a Friday night. Driving a big beamer, shoot shots on the men that are called cleaners. There's
Yo. When I forgot them name, I forgot who is who, but me I call one shorty and one tall man. When tall man start, tall man is start man, yeah? The man now moving a dog. The man
Yo! Spilling that block we was last week where the boys put them feelers. I just wanna bust shots and look like Jesus. I just wanna whip white while I smash cans. I just wanna whip round with a few shooters. I just want a few points and a few fans. Big six.
Man say one whip around a few shooters and know some of the black get tear off in the crocodile teeth. Them don't grimy.
Blew that. Now son, you don't wanna do that. Son should've known I'm a big deal. Son should've run when he threw that. Yeah. Pull up outside and a man gets fried. I'm banging that mash like English breakfast. Might just smash this car in the shop window. Why'd I give up? This one's rented.
Yo, these guys, man, what can I say about them? Every beat them touch them, kill it, dog. No joke.
Yeah, Pete, chuck a sec, Kane. Well, Fumez, roll us a fag, will ya? Yeah. I'm in spoons of a tune on a jukebox. Birds been shaking the bunda, making me crazy. If a girl keeps going like this, then I'm taking her home when we're making babies.
If a girl keep going like this, I'm gonna take her home when we're making babies. Yo!
I don't mean to be rude, but this party's dead and I'm feeling wavy.
Hold on. Me just noticed something. Wait. Why they never drop the mic for him, for Sharpman? Why they never drop the mic? Because obviously Talman, taller than Sharpman, so Sharpman needs to drop the mic when time a film turn. The boss here start to 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗓𝗓. Yo! Lyrics are spitting at that day.
Come on then mate, let's jump in the cab, tell Mo to go faster. I'm on boxing the Uber, if he complains I'm punching the bastard.
I'm saying.
Go faster, I'm on boxing the Uber, if he complains I'm punching the bastard.
So he's threatening to punch the Uber driver?
Spill drink everywhere and then my phone start pass me the bleeding charger. Smoking a bit for the finest grade, now my head's twisted like a rasta.
Yo, basically I say him smoke weed and right now him head twisted like a rasta. Rasta ear twist, get it? Rasta bars, 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗓𝗓, bars.
Bleeding charger, smoking a bit for the finest grade, now my head's twisted like a rasta. Jump out of the week with a cigarette lit when I'm out on the strip, they won this scarper. Grab that man and I'm shaving his head like a Turkish barber.
Look on him face said all. His face said all. The man say, yo, me I grab that one and I'm shaving it like a Turkish barber.
The dotty and his body phoned up like a bottle of carver. Feds came round and I never said nada. Quick and I'm down in the lager. I never lost face when it came to throwing these fists. Got an head like a builder's brick. I got fists like concrete slabs. Still knock a man down with a kung fu kick. From a man get chucked in a van, get dashed in a dusty skip. One side of the family's Irish. Chucky alive, he's taking a mick.
One side of the family is Irish. Chucky's alive, he's taking a mick.
Van get dashed in a dusty skip. One side of the family's Irish. Chucky alive, he's taking a mick. Big bands in the building, fill them cracks in the walls so the feds can't see that stash. Got a mesh tucked under this tit for tat and I tip my hat if he's talking greens. Please, I don't want to spill his beans on the...
I'll tip my hat if he's talking breeze. So that is the signal for get him good enough to attack the man. Cause when you watch show more time, some movies more time and the boss discuss and do certain movement, you know, so the man go attack the man with the boss attack. Tucked under this tit for tat and I tip my hat if he's talking greens. Please, I don't want to spill his beans on a brand new carpet, the wife will lose it. Move it before I lose it, get dark bruises on up in that leaky boat. Pull up. Stella, I'm talking to you now, the guys that make that beer when them having them on. You need to give them money some sort of contract or make them an ambassador to your company card. Them money have your beer a thing that them on, like, you know? Yeah, come on, like, that is advertisement for.
Up in the black tab ends and I whip out the nank and the man gets carved like Rose. It ain't no joke, I ain't Dave Chappelle now. Why has your girl been talking to me for?
I'm not joke this on a comedian thing. This on a Kevin Hart or Dave Chappelle. What about 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗓𝗓 don't know? I don't know.
So give it that up and down in the back so round I grabbed it. Wrapped it, slapped it, stains on the mattress, flipped them packs and the cash I slashed it. Smacked that man with the back of the head and his sovereigns turned him green like goblin. Me, she's gobbling me, feast popped in the mouth and she can't get enough of this goblin. Slapped it, stains on the mattress, flipped them packs and the cash I slashed it. Smacked that man with the back of the head and his sovereigns turned him green like goblin. Me, she's gobbling me, feast popped in the mouth and she can't get enough of this goblin. Janice, I don't know what the plan is. Smoke so much that I'm stuck in the planet. Speaking Spanish, that's the way go. Thumbs in his eyes get pressed like Play-Doh.
Bar for bar, them two, yeah. up there with any of the British rappers, the English rapper, them bar for bar, them up there with every single one of them. Yo, them bad. No joke, them fucking bad.
Digitago, can't go back, I'm in San Diego. Little mug tried it, you don't wanna ride it. Gave him the kiss of death, I ain't good though. I ain't Fredo, don't wear tight little shirts like Bugsy. Little boy.
What?
Wanna ride it, gave him the kiss of death, I ain't good though. I ain't Fredo, don't wear tight little shirts like Bugsy. Little boy.
I ain't Fredo, I don't wear tight little shirt like Bugsy. I ain't Fredo, I don't wear tight little shirt like Bugsy.
Wanna ride it, gave him the kiss of death, I ain't good though. I ain't Fredo, don't wear tight little shirts like Bugsy. Little boy out, don't wanna get maced. These mug get smashed in the face. JK still didn't send his verse to get left in a casket case.
Fumez, the engineer.
Fumez, right now you're speechless. Me speechless to my fam. You're speechless, me speechless to my fam. Honestly, like, what the hell, bro? Them two guys, dog. Them two guys need to chill the fuck out, brother. The man them not miss nothing, dog. Yo, Peter Bass a legend in this, dog. Legend in this, brother. We don't care who, not like what me I say. Peter Bass better than enough of them so-called drill rapper where you see our normal rappers. Peter Bass I run rings round on the head. If you don't like it, drop asleep. Me not care. Peter Bass better than enough of no. Peter Bass big up on a bomber class self, my grandfather. Big up on yourself. Two grandfather them. One from my mother's side and one from my father's side. Grandfather them. Yeah, they adapt me. They adopted me. I am adopted by them. I am adopted. Yes, I am adopted. Yeah, so guys, this is where I'm going to end that one. If you enjoy that one, please leave a like on the video. Big up to the new subscribers them again. You know, I'm just here. I'm back again. I'm back. For the shenanigans to start. So, big up on yourself, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright? Stay safe. Bless. Peace.